How to increase or decrease volume in Ocenaudio. First of all, open your audio file in Ocenaudio by selecting the file you want to edit. Once the file is open, you will see the waveform of your audio in the main window. Now, to increase or decrease the volume, you will need to use the gain feature. Simply select the portion of the audio that you want to adjust or press Ctrl A to select the entire track. After selecting the desired audio, go to the Effects tab at the top of the screen and click on Amplitude and then Gain. A window will pop up where you can adjust the gain level. To increase the volume, move the slider to the right, and to decrease the volume, move the slider to the left. You can also type in a specific number to set the volume precisely. After adjusting the gain, click OK and you will see the change in the waveform. If you want to apply the same volume change to other sections of the audio, you can repeat the process for each section. And that's it. Now you know how to increase or decrease volume in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.